Athletic trainers. Career, salary, and education information. What they do. Athletic trainers are experts in preventing, diagnosing, and treating muscle and bone injuries and illnesses. Work environment. Athletes work in a variety of educational contexts, including colleges, universities, elementary schools, and secondary schools. Others work for professional sports teams, hospitals, fitness centers, or physicians' offices. How to become one. Athletic trainers need at least a bachelor's degree. Nearly all states require athletic trainers to have a license or certification. Requirements vary by state. Salary. The median annual wage for athletic trainers is $48,440. Job outlook. Employment of athletic trainers is projected to grow 16% over the next 10 years, much faster than the average for all occupations. As people become more conscious of the impacts of sports-related injuries and as the middle-aged and older population continues to stay active, demand for athletic trainers is predicted to rise. Licenses, certifications, and registrations for athletic trainers. Nearly all states require athletic trainers to be licensed or certified. Requirements vary by state. For specific requirements, contact the particular state's licensing or credentialing board or athletic trainer association. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to get the most up-to-date career and educational videos. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to click the like button. Please ask any queries you may have in the comments section.